Hi guys, welcome back to Techlur. Today we'll be unboxing Varmilo Miya Pro Summit V2 mechanical keyboard. Let's open the box and see. Here is the mechanical keyboard, a keycap puller, a detachable USB Type-C cable, and also 2 extra keycaps. This keyboard features a 65% form factor. Instead of the usual vertical keys that goes down the side here, the Miya Pro has 4 keys next to each other resembling a cube. Let's check out their switches. This keyboard features Cherry MX key switches. The one I have here is the Cherry MX Brown. There are also red and silent red switch variations. There is also the Varmilo switch options in Daisy, Ivy, and Sakura variations. As always, sound test at the end. The spacebar of this keyboard exceeded my expectations. For a pre-built keyboard, there is no ticking or rattling of the stabilizers. It is factory looped and it feels smooth and not scratchy. I'll let you hear it for yourself and be the judge. Now, let's talk about the keycaps and backplate design. Sit back and relax as there are many interesting elements about this design. Starting off with the keycaps, it features white and blue dye-sub PBT keycaps with black legends, along with a camping design. There isn't any sub-legends printed, which makes it look clean and minimal. There is an X, some pine trees, arrows, a hook, tent, compass, a knife, and also a fire symbol. There is also north, south, east, west arrows here. Oh, also to add on, the arrow keys are slightly detached, which is more convenient, as normally I might accidentally press the wrong keys. On the spacebar, there is a Morse code here. After multiple attempts to decode it, it says, "It's dangerous to go alone, take this." It's a very nice touch to the overall design, although I don't think I'll be climbing any mountains soon. Anyways, on the enter key, you can see there's a set of coordinates on it. I did some researching, and this is what I found on Google Maps. It brings me to a location at Norway called Galdhøpiggen, which is the highest mountain in northern Europe. On the bottom case, it also features an embossed design of the mountain. I wish the label here could be somewhere else and not blocking the entire artwork though. And there's only white LED backlight for this keyboard, perfect for a minimalistic setup. In my opinion, I think RGB wouldn't be suitable as it would clash with the overall design of the keyboard. Along the same series of the Varmilo Miya Pro, there is also the Sakura, Panda, Koi, C Melody, and Mac. I've placed the link in the description. Do check it out. Prices start at 620 ringgit for the Cherry MX switch variations and 650 ringgit for the Varmilo switches. As for the other designs along with the same series, prices ranges from 500 to 650 ringgit. And before you go, let's hear a sound test. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.